Hello everyone and welcome back. In the last video, you learned how to customize the rest of your settings. But there was one thing that we left out which is very important, and that's the waiver and terms and conditions. So let's go back into our settings by pressing the menu icon on the top right and clicking on settings. And then we will go to the forms tab. We have three space holders here for the waiver, the membership terms and conditions, and the drop-in terms and conditions. You'll note that nothing has been populated here for you. Glofox does not provide any templates for the waiver, membership terms and conditions, or drop-in terms and conditions. So it is your responsibility to populate this with whatever the rules and regulations are of your business and state or country. So the waiver, the membership, and the drop-in terms and conditions all appear at different times. The waiver must be agreed to when the person is creating their profile in Glofox, or when they are using either the web integration or the member app for the first time. If they agree to the waiver, they will be able to complete the registration process and log in successfully. If they don't agree to the waiver, they will not be able to register and they will not be able to log in. The membership terms and conditions are going to pop up when the person is about to buy a membership. So these terms and conditions are relevant to making a payment for a particular membership. Please note that you cannot have separate membership terms and conditions for different memberships. This membership terms and conditions must be inclusive of all of your memberships. Then we have our drop-in terms and conditions. These terms and conditions are for your pay-as-you-go or drop-in clients, the people who are not on memberships but booking into a session or class. Usually, studios will write whatever the rules and regulations are of the particular class, what attire the members are meant to wear for that particular class, and so on. So, ladies and gentlemen, that brings me to the end of the waiver, membership, terms and conditions, and the drop-in terms and conditions video. Please make sure that you do populate this with your terms and conditions and waiver before you launch Glofox to your members. See you on the next video.